On August 12th, the sky is hosting a rare astronomical triple header. It's a once-in-a-lifetime skywatching experience you definitely don't want to miss. Number 1 is Total Solar Eclipse, a cosmic story 114 years in the making. Spain hasn't seen a total solar eclipse like this since April 1912, just 2 days after the Titanic sank. Number 2 is Perseid Meteor. Across the ocean, the US gets a massive afternoon partial eclipse followed by peak shooting stars at night. Europe gets totality. America gets the meteor shower. August 12th is the ultimate 3-in-1 skywatching day. Number 3 is Planetary Alignment. 2 continents, 3 celestial events, 1 unforgettable day. And we are the lucky ones who get to witness it all. 3-in-1. This is a once-in-a-lifetime event. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Let's go. Like and subscribe. Share this video. According to NASA, the eclipse path begins over North America in the Arctic. The moon's shadow will sweep past Alaska, parts of the United States with great partial views in cities like New York, Boston, and Anchorage, and Canada, including Toronto, Montreal, and Quebec City. It then passes over Greenland, crosses Iceland, and heads straight for Spain. While North America gets a dramatic partial eclipse. The path of totality enters Europe, right over Galicia, rushing through Oviedo, Zaragoza, and ending over the Balearic Islands right at sunset. We recommend using specialized skywatching apps to choose the best locations. Beyond the science and rare astronomy, a total eclipse is a wonderful reason to disconnect from screens, gather with family and friends, and look up at the sky together. Do you have childhood memories like that? I remember watching a solar eclipse through a piece of smoked glass. What about you? Share your eclipse experiences in the comments below. In any case, it's a wonderful reason to step away from the daily routine, look up at the sky, and witness this breathtaking event. Just enjoy the magic. And after the show, write your story or post those photos and videos on social media. Now, a few crucial words about safety and preparation. You must use specialized solar eclipse glasses that meet the international ISO 12312-2 safety standard. Protect your vision. Here is what you should never do. Do not look at the sun through regular sunglasses, no matter how dark they are. Do not use smoked glass, CD discs, dark film, or camera filters not designed for direct solar viewing. And never look at the sun through binoculars, telescopes, or camera viewfinders without a solar filter event with eclipse glasses on. Don't forget about your equipment. Always use appropriate solar filters on your cameras and smartphones to prevent burnt-out camera sensors. Take care of your family, friends, and colleagues by sharing these safety rules and explaining which unsafe DIY methods to avoid. Let's make sure everyone enjoys this unforgettable event safely. Ads often recommend buying eclipse glasses online. But before you do, check this out. Here's a great pro tip. Check your local municipality websites or astronomical community pages first. In many locations, certified ISO glasses are handed out completely for free at local councils and community centers, just to make sure everyone stays safe while enjoying the view. So, you're fully prepared to watch the eclipse. But where exactly should you look? And how do you pick the best spot? First, know your horizon, since the total eclipse occurs when the sun is relatively low in the sky. You'll need a location with a completely unobstructed view toward the west and southwest. High-rise buildings, tall trees, or mountains can easily block your view. So, aim for elevated points, open fields, beaches, or coastal lookouts. Second, check the sun's trajectory in advance. Use astronomy or augmented reality apps like PhotoPills or Sunseeker to see the exact path the sun will take from your chosen spot. Arrive early to scout the location, set up your gear, and ensure no unexpected shadows fall over you as totality approaches. And finally, check the weather forecast. Clear skies are everything. Always have a plan B. Location ready within a 30 to 50 mile radius. That's about 50 to 80 kilometers in case local clouds decide to roll in at the last minute. What about planetary alignments and meteor showers? For a meteor shower, you actually don't need any equipment at all. Just head far away from city lights to a location with a pitch black sky and a 360-degree open horizon. Lay down on a blanket. Let your eyes adjust to the dark for 20 minutes. And look up. Don't miss this. Subscribe for more skywatching tips. Thanks for the support, and good luck out there.